Are remote workers entitled to the same employee rights as on-site workers? In today's rapidly changing work environment, a pressing question arises. Are remote workers entitled to the same employee rights as those working on-site? With many companies shifting to remote or hybrid models, this topic is more relevant than ever. As employees and employers navigate this new landscape, understanding the rights of remote workers is essential. From a labor and employment law standpoint, remote workers generally enjoy the same fundamental rights as their on-site counterparts. Laws governing wages, hours, anti-discrimination, workplace safety, and family and medical leave apply equally to all employees, regardless of their work location. Employers must adhere to these regulations for both remote and on-site workers. When it comes to wage and hour laws, remote workers must be compensated for all hours worked. This includes overtime pay when applicable. Employers are responsible for accurately tracking hours, which can become more complicated in a remote setting. Workplace safety is another important consideration. Employers are required to provide a safe working environment, but the extent of their responsibility for remote workspaces can differ. While occupational safety and health administration regulations primarily apply to traditional workplaces, employers should still take reasonable steps to ensure that remote employees have a safe setup. Anti-discrimination and harassment protections fully extend to remote workers. Employers must take action to prevent discrimination and harassment, no matter where the work is performed. Additionally, remote employees are entitled to the same benefits and leave rights as on-site workers. This includes family and medical leave, as long as they meet the eligibility criteria. Jurisdictional issues also come into play. Remote work can cross state and national boundaries, which means employers must navigate different local laws. This can affect employee rights and employer obligations. The rise of remote and hybrid work models has prompted many employers to adapt their policies to ensure compliance and fairness. Offering flexibility has been linked to increased employee satisfaction and retention. However, employers face challenges in monitoring productivity and managing legal compliance across various locations. In summary, remote workers are entitled to the same core employee rights as on-site workers under labor and employment law. Employers must ensure these rights are upheld while addressing the unique challenges that remote work presents.